This video is for you. Maybe you have been watching videos online for maybe years back now, or maybe you just started watching videos online and you are asking yourself, like, what is my gain now? Like, I'm wasting data, I'm wasting my money. What is my gain for watching videos? And like, you have been feeling discouraged to be watching videos online. All right, this video is for you because I want to show you how you can make money online just watching videos, like YouTube videos like this. For you to be watching YouTube videos just like this one, as you're watching this, you will be making money. It's just very simple. Like, some people are having opportunity, like they have opportunity of a free Wi-Fi or free data. You can turn it to money and you'll be making your money on a daily basis. At the end of the month, you can easily proud of yourself that you make money while watching videos online. All right, before going to this and before showing you these new apps that are ready to pay you for watching videos, and before I will explain everything, please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn up this notification bell, select all, and give me a like if you think this video makes sense to you. Then leave a comment here, let me know what you feel about this video. Then please don't forget to share this to your friends or family or to your social media. All right, let's go straight to the business of the day: how to make money by watching videos online, so that it won't be like you're wasting money. You're just watching videos. There are some people, they have interest in watching videos, but at times when you consider the loss, you'll be like, I don't want to continue watching videos online again. So this is just to encourage you that you can also make money while watching videos online. All right, the first of the app I want to introduce to you now is called Zarklamming. So that's zarklamming.com. ZARAKLAMY.com. So this is one of the I have three sites, app with me here. So this is first of the app I am giving you now, that you can make money while watching video from this app. Now, how does it work? Somebody like me now, this is my YouTube channel, right? So maybe I want people to be viewing my YouTube, right? I want people to subscribe to my YouTube. I want people to like my YouTube. I want people to leave comments on my YouTube. Or maybe I have blog, right? And I need engagement on my blog. I need people to subscribe to my newsletter. I need people to be visiting my blog. All these things, I can go to this app now, to this site. I will run adverts here. I will pay them some money, that please, this is what I want. Now this app, now they are now inviting somebody like you watching this video, that please, if you can register with us now and watch Sheyi Dairo's video here. If you watch Sheyi Dairo video here, we will pay you this amount of money for watching this. So it's just very simple. Even though if you don't have interest in watching this, you can just you can just click play button and just be doing something else. You can be playing different video, leave it like that, because that's how you are making your own money. So this is just very simple. So somebody like me now, I have paid them here. Now they are inviting you now that please come and watch the video, or maybe come and like Sheyi Dairo's video. Come and like it. I will pay you this amount of money for liking it. Please come and leave comments. I'll pay you this amount of money for leaving comment. Come and subscribe to Sheyi Dairo YouTube channel. We'll pay you this amount of money. So this is how it works. So let's go to the business now. I think you understand it now. All right. So this is the app now. If you can also get the app from App Store, and you can get it from Google Play. So it's just very easy, right? So the first thing to do now is just click here. If you are using your mobile phone, just click here. Then when you tap here now, just click on registration. That is, if you are very new to this, just click on registration. But if you have account before, just click on sign in. So tap on registration now. All right, so it's very easy. If you want to if you want to log in with this, register with your Google account or with your Microsoft account. It's very easy. And also, if you want to register manually, you can just put your email address and create a password, then click on next step. So I'm going to do this one, and I will create account, then I will log into my dashboard and continue with the video. Now I have created account successfully. This is my dashboard. This is the home page for the account. This is my account now. So the next thing to do is you can see everything is zero because this is a new account. So I'm using this one to for the purpose of this video. So that's why I'm creating this. So the next thing to do now is just to go and to verify email. You can see now say verify your email. So they have sent me email, so I'll go to my Gmail I use now. So to verify email now, I'm coming here now. Then I'll click. This is the message I received. So I'll click here now. Then here now I'll click here, or I will click. Either I click to verify it, or I long press and copy the URL. So at time I usually copy your URL instead of clicking directly. And I'll come here now. I'll tap here, then paste and continue. So this will verify it automatically like this. So this is another method. Okay, great. You see now it's now verified. All right, we'll send you a verification letter if you reach out the payment threshold. So go to earning. Next thing to do now is to go to earning. So although I'm supposed to go to settings, but I will go to settings now. The next thing now is to come here. Then this place I'll tap, click here now. So I'll go to earning. That is how to make money with this now. So what we want to make money, but before we can make money, I've clicked on earn now. So I click on earn. So I think you see what I click now. This is earn. I click on this one, earn. Sorry. So let me tap again, then earn. All right. How many means can we use to make money now? We have means of making money. How many means now? One, play game. Is there we play game, fill out survey. Then third one is watch videos. Then fourth is browse website. Fifth is create account, subscribe to newsletter, and then online shopping. But it's unfortunate that this cannot work because I'm using phone to access this, except if I'm using my personal computer or I download the app. I think I show you where you can download the app now. So you can download the app. Then if you download the app, you're able to do most of these things now. So let me click N for play game now. You see what will happen now. You see now. So I need to download the app on my phone. Then so before I can able to have access to do some of these things now. So let me go back. Then the second one also, fill out surveys. This is somehow stressful. Me personally, I don't like this, but if you have interest in filling out surveys, yes, you can make money from it, but it's stressful. It consumes a lot of time and something like that. So click earn now. So you can start with this now and you'll be making your money. All right. The third, let's check the watch video now. This is watch video like YouTube video. So this one, I like this one. It's very, very interesting, something like this. So this is how you can do and make money. Then you can check your analytics here. You can click on it, right? The next is billing. We send you payment once your payment threshold is reached. All right, you've reached 0% of payment threshold. Payment threshold is that's $25. When the thing reach $25, they will notify you. That's when you can able to arrange for the payment. How you get paid, you don't need to add a payment method until your earning threshold has been reached. So before you can add payment method is until when you reach $25 in your earning. Then billing settings, so we have to, here again. Let me tap here again. Then referral program also, you can refer. You can click on this one and you get link. So anybody that click on it, you have commission on anyone that you register through your account. Then settings, you can click on settings. From settings now, email, password, you can change the password. Then language, time zone, Lagos, Africa. So display languages in English, United States also. You can see now. So if you want to delete the account, you can click here to delete your account. Next is billing. Now, first name, last name, street. You have to fill this one out for billing. Then currency and country. So you choose your country, everything. Worldwide, you can worldwide now you have opportunity of making money with this. So here now, privacy. You can also click on privacy and set it to your satisfaction how you want it. Then about, you can set about yourself. and put everything there. All right, let's go back to dashboard. So this is how you can make money with this now. As you are doing it now, just come back here and be watching. You will see difference how you are making money on a daily basis here. So it's just a very good means of making legit money. All right, the second app that we pay you money per watching video and other means is called the next one. The next app now that are ready to pay you for watching the YouTube videos and other things, just like this first one, is called Timebox. So it's timebox.com. If you get to this place, the first thing to do is to click on sign up. That is, if you are very new to this, click on sign up, or if you have registered before, just click on the login button here. So get paid to post on Facebook, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, complete micro tasks, answer surveys. So click the play button below. So if you have to click it, you have full understanding of this. So to sign up now, you have to click here. When you click here now, do you have an account registered here? So this is just a shortcut method of creating an account. You have to click on sign up with Facebook. So it's a very easier means of creating an account with them. Then the manual now one is, if you want to sign up manually, you have to click this one, email, create password, repeat password. You have to tick this one, then click on sign up now. So I have explained the previous one, the first one, so I think you should use the knowledge to. It's just the similar thing, so I don't want this video to be too long. That's why I'm just trying to cut it short. All right, this is how to make money from this daily bonus. Each day we run a competition where the top 100 earner win a nice bonus. Start earning instantly. No approval process required for new signups. You can just sign up in 5 seconds and start earning instantly. Referral program, we have a referral program, so you will earn commission on anyone you refer and any advertising deposits they make. Weekly payouts, we pay everyone weekly with 6 different payment methods. Friendly support staff, we need help. Our friendly support staff will answer all of your questions. Don't wait days for a reply. So this is a very good method of making money, just like the first one I've explained. The third one, and I want you to try also to make money from, is called quickrewards.net. Quickrewards.net. So you get paid to complete survey, play games, watch videos, complete offers, and shop online. All right, so these are the things I have for you. I want you to go through it. Never complain that you don't have money or no job, or you're tired of life or anything. There are better ways of making money online. Please, if you're very new to my YouTube video, I'm begging you, please click on the subscribe button. When you click on the subscribe button, don't forget to tap on the notification bell. When you tap on the notification bell, select all, and give me a like on this video. Please leave me a comment, let me know what you feel about this, and share this video to your loved one.